good, YouTube? Y'all tuned back in to Curry Life, and I'm back with a hair video. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how to get your curls popping. That's what we're here for today, so I'm gonna provide that to you. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, I'm gonna start by wetting my hair up. You gotta get your hair wet. You know what I'm saying? This process gets messy. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all fair warning. Process gets messy, but I'm gonna wet my hair up, and I put a little bit of oil in the water, that black castor oil. Oh shit, right here. I can see that. Put a little bit of oil in the water, you know, so it sets right there at the top. Shake it up, and get spraying. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. So I gotta tell y'all that. Make sure you have a towel handy. Like I said, it gets messy, very messy. That water's all through there. Get your hair nice and damp, I would say. Just a little bit more. Alright, cool. Alright. So now that I got my hair nice and wet, it's time to move on to the first product that I use. First thing first is AsIAm. I use all AsIAm products. I use AsIAm leave-in conditioner. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's focusing in on that right there. Okay, yeah, but AsIAm leave-in conditioner, that's the first thing I use. So I'm gonna take some, not too much, but you know, the right amount for the right amount of hair that you got. Rub it in your hands and just massage it into your head. Try to get it down to the scalp and to the ends of your hair. Just massage it in there. This is all I do. The only motion I do right here. I'm gonna move on to your next process. Next, like I said, I use all AsIAm stuff. I got tongue tied, sorry. I use Twist Defining Gel. I love this stuff. The Twist Defining Gel really helps out a lot with basically like getting your curls popping. This is what actually gets the curls going, you feel me? The leave-in conditioner is like basically just like it's like a prep to me, you know what I'm saying? That's what I think of. It's like a prep. And this right here is what's gonna get your curls popping. Alright, so just a little bit by little bit, I get like a little tiny bit in my hand. About that much. Right here. I get about that much. Put it in the palm of my hand. Rub it in together. And I start on the sides. I just start on the sides. And go in, like, just use my fingers like almost like it's a comb. You know what I'm saying? Just rub it on the scalp and pull it to the ends. Oh yeah, and as you're doing this, you want to always stop. Just give your hair like a little shake so it all won't lay down on you. You know what I'm saying? It keeps that volume in your hair. So you might want to stand back from your mirrors when you do it too, so you don't get too messy. But my Kawasaki, I love my baby. Fuck y'all whips, I ride with your lady. My bike life, I ride all night. If I see the lights, I ain't pulling. Get here a little shake. I'ma jump a gear and get website when I hit third gear. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but you know, I already got the curls popping in there a little bit. And just a little bit. But next is the moisturizer milk. Yep. The moisturizer milk. Or the moisture milk. The proper way to say it. See if y'all can see that. No, but AsIAm product once again. This moisturizer milk basically is what's gonna keep your hair moisturized throughout the whole day. So like, you know, I don't know if you know how like you get your curls popping and like 4 hours later they're dried and shriveled up on your head or whatever, or you just lost your curls. This moisture milk Keep it all day, baby. Keep it all day. So, what we got? Leave-in conditioner. We got twist defining cream and moisture milk. Once you do all that, this is something extra. You don't really have to, because I don't do it all the time. But that same oil that I put in my water, the Jamaican black castor oil, same oil. Just take a little bit, put it right here on top of my hand. Well, put my hand on top of the bottle, turn it over, just rub it around my hands so you don't get too much coming out. And turn my hand back over. Rub it in my hands, make it real warm, make my hands real oily, and just go over the top. And this right here, I mean, I don't know if any of you guys ever use it. Comment below if you ever used it before, but I love the smell of it. You know what I'm saying? It smells very good. It smells real good, so it gives your hair a nice smell, and it keeps your hair shiny. It makes it look good. Like I said, okay. Just a little shake. And boom, that's it. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. I hope this video was helpful to some of you. Shoot, y'all can help me by commenting and letting me know some better products or a better process that y'all have, you know what I'm saying? We can definitely link up and definitely do some kind of business or whatever. But make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, because I got more videos coming. I got more videos on the way. I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm trying to get back started, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, make sure you follow your boy, you know what I'm saying? It's Curry Life, man. I hope y'all love it, because I love you. Peace.